Hello everyone! So for today's video, I will show you on how to create a 3D house modeling. So before we start, let me introduce myself first. I am Jesse Dugue Jacinto from CEBP3 and here is my ID from my university. So let's start. This 2D floor plan I was created during watching the tutorial videos that sent by my professor. And this is my 2D floor plan midterms before, and now I will continue it or convert this into 3D, but I will make some changes. And now this is my 2D floor plan before that I made some changes like adding rooms and change the structure like add windows and doors. So first go into the layer properties and turn off all the layers except the wall. Only the wall is on and all the layers are off. So after off the some layers, go to this part and click the 3D modeling. So after clicking 3D modeling, click this 2D view and click the SE isometric. And go to click the press pull rather and find the corner where all the walls are get. So this is the part, and so as you can see, you can set the measurements upwards or downward. So I will give 3 meters center, and as you can see. And you can change it into the shaded. Also click this into the wireframe. So I will click this shaded, and this is the look. So now click the copy edges on this copy edge and make some lines here, or make some copy the edge here. So click this and specify the second point. So all the doors, or I will put these lines in order to connect on the other one, and click the copy and repeat all the process that we made. Just copy the edges and make lines in order to connect the other part of walls into walls. Because if we don't do this and just press pull it, so we haven't space for the doors. So in order to make a space, we need to put some lights on this part. So we put also here, and just copy the edge and make some lines. Again, click the copy edges, then select the edge that you want to create the line. So specify the measurements. So repeat all the actions you do on copy the edges. Repeat all the process in all the doors. Now we're going to connect the walls. So in order to connect, we need to click the press pull. So we have to connect on this point and connect the lines. And of course this click, and then connect on this point, and also this. Also, this part we will press pull it and connect these lines. This part also we have to connect the walls. So here we also need to put connect the walls, so we need to copy the edge, so using the copy edges command. So and then copy, then also here we have to copy this edge and specify the length or distance. Then now we have to press pull it and connect to these walls. Again, we're done. Now we need it to go to 2D frame in order to remove all the unwanted lines. So remove this, also these lines, and enter. So let's see if there are wanted lines. So there's no unwanted lines, so let's proceed to our next step. Let's convert it again into a shaded. Now we are turn on the window in order to create frame template or framework into the window. So first we need to measure these two if they same or not. So these are 2 meters and the other one is 1.5 meters. So it means we need to create a 2 kinds of window. So first click the line command and specify the first point going up, then specify the measurement, and now click the rectangle command and specify the first point, then click the dimensions and specify again the measurements that you want, that is 2 meter and 1 meter on the height of the rectangle. So click, then now click again the rectangle for the cha-cha. So specify the first point, click the dimensions, and specify again the measurements that you want, and then just click. So click it. So now we're great there. Click